Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to restore old context menu in Windows 11. So as you can see, currently I have new context menu. So in order to restore old context menu, type in the search box cmd and run command prompt as administrator. Now type here this command. Don't worry, I will provide this command in the description of the video and also in the pinned comment. Now after typing this command, hit enter. Now close the command prompt and open Task Manager. For opening Task Manager, right click on the taskbar and click Task Manager. Now scroll down and search for Windows Explorer and right click on it and click Restart. Now you can see that old context menu is restored. Now if you want to restore the new context menu, again open CMD as administrator. And type here this command. Don't worry, I will also provide this command in the description of the video and also in the pinned comment. Now after typing this command, hit enter. Now again do the same process. You have to open Task Manager and restart Windows Explorer. Now after restarting Windows Explorer, you can see that new context menu is restored. Thank you. If this video helped you, please do like and subscribe.